Welcome back to our channel. My name is Melissa and I am an assistant showroom manager with Arizona Tile. As you know, we strive to provide you with the most extraordinary surfaces on earth. And today I want to introduce you to our three newest mesh mounted marble products. Meet Zigzag, Prism, and Petal. All three of these products are unique showstopper designs that will add sophistication and interest to your next project. Zigzag is available in 4 color options: Blanc, Blanc and Luna, Noir and Blanc, and Crema Sky. The pattern is a combination of straight and angled pieces, which gives it an illusion of movement like a cascading waterfall. Prism is also available in 4 beautiful color options: Blanc and Luna, Crema and Sky, Marine and Blanc, and Noir and Blanc. The pattern offers a little contrast with the pairing of color options and plays with the illusion of a woven pattern. Fun fact, this pattern can be installed in 2 different eye-catching layouts. Petal offers a soft, curvilinear design which is both playful and sophisticated. This pattern is available in 5 color options: Blanc, Blanc and Luna, Crema, Crema and Sky, and Noir and Blanc. The colors offered are light in tone and highly versatile, apart from the high contrast palette of the Noir Blanc, which adds a little more drama. Zigzag, Petal, and Prism are all offered in soft and earthy honed finishes. With all 3 of these new patterns, a mesh backing is adhered to the back of each sheet, making it easier to install. As with all natural stone products, we encourage you to seal this tile when it's installed and reseal it as needed to extend its longevity. All of these gorgeous new stone layouts are highly durable and can be used on the floor or wall, as well as on fireplaces and shower walls in any residential application. We know you'll love these new marble products as much as we do. We hope to hear from you in the comments. Let us know which one is your favorite and how you'll use it. And while you're here, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.